Kip. Kip from the Detroit.
Right.
Great podcast. This is Kip from Detroit, Michigan. I have a mixture of traditional 401ks at an old employer. He's got a traditional IRA and after-tax IRA assets. If I roll my 401k directly to a Roth IRA, will the pro-rata tax rule apply to my after-tax IRA assets? Thanks, guys. I got to probably reread that.
That's a little tricky.
So, okay, let's just break this thing down. So he's got a mixture of traditional 401k. So he's got an old employer 401k. So that money's at a 401k old employer dormant plan.
Sure.
He's got traditional IRA and after-tax IRA assets.
So, and it could be in a single account.
So let's just assume he's got the traditional IRA that has after-tax basis within that IRA.
Sure.
So if he rolls his 401k directly to a Roth IRA, will the pro-rata tax rule apply to my after-tax IRA assets? No.
Correct. It does not.
Because it's now going into a 401k directly into the Roth IRA. You're going to pay tax 100% of that 401k balance. So, Kip, you might maybe take a little bit of a step back here. I would first want to know, what is the after-tax component of the IRA? How much money's after-tax? How much money's pre-tax, right? Mm-hmm. And then you might take a look at that and try to get that IRA converted first, because the pro-rata rule only applies to IRA assets. It doesn't apply to that old 401k.
Right. And here's a thought I had, which is if the 401 if you have a 401, you have a current 401k right now, I can't hardly talk. If it will allow you to roll your IRA into the 401k, right? But it does not allow after-tax money. So you do the pre-tax money of the 401k, you're left with an IRA with basis only, then you can convert that and pay no tax whatsoever.
But if it's at an old employer, then you have to look, Kip, do you have a new employer, or you're retired, or what's going on here? Because if it's an old employer, he won't be able to...
That's true, if it's an old employer.
So then I guess if he's got another 401k plan, take that new 401k plan and try to do it there. So, and I guess we kind of convolute the hell out of that, didn't we?
We did. But yeah, but basically the correct answer is, if you're going right from your old 401k to a Roth, it's all taxable. You don't get any pro rata benefit.